Hey everybody, and welcome back to Accuquilt. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about the Accuquilt dies and how amazing they are for embroidery. Last video I showed you all about my pumpkins. I cut out 6 pumpkins in one shot, and we talked about how easy it is. There's the pumpkin die right there, so that's fantastic. And I added the lettering OML, and I thought this was really cute. Now this is just done completely with pre-cuts, so it's awesome. So that's one of my favorites. Now I picked ones that I like. So pumpkins, this is the other pumpkin one that I really like. Still using the same craftsy pre-cuts. I'll put a link in the description for those. So let's talk about more dies. So this one is a car, and I'll show you a picture of the car when it's done. But how cute is that? So you have the pieces. Now keep in mind, if you look here, let's turn it this way. If you look here, these parts make a face, which would be really cool. But you can use these circles for other things. If you wanted to put, big eyes or something on your pumpkin or a design, you can use it for that. It doesn't just have to be for the car. So that's one that I found really handy. Now this one that I found is going to be really fun. If you look at it, it's holiday, not Halloween, although you could use it for Halloween. Holiday accessories. So this is a nice big bow, and if you have a square, you can make presents. If you look here, this is all parts for a snowman. Look, you have the nose, you have mittens, you have his buttons. This is a scarf. This is his hat, obviously, and this is a different kind of hat. These pieces here are, if you put a circle on them, cut out a circle and make the design, you could make Christmas baubles so easily. So this one we are going to have so much fun with. Now, of course, you can use the different pieces for different things. Like I said, this bow can go on the cat for cat and bat. That's awesome. So that's one of my top ones. This one is really fun. This is an owl, and two big eyes. These are the wings, and then the insides of the eyes. So these can also be used. This is an orange peel, small orange peel. You can use that for quite a few things. And then, of course, a nice size circle. So awesome. I've had fun with that. I'll put up pictures as I go along of things that I've done. These are flowers. How cute is that? Can you think of a million things you can do with these flowers? Because I sure can. There's smaller ones that go inside, and then the centers. Really fun. We're going to have so much fun with that. And just basic shapes, hearts. Why not? We will be able to do a ton of stuff with this in Embrilliance. And this one is absolutely my favorite. This is called Cat and Bat, because it's a cat and a bat. And there's amazing designs for this. Now, this is one that I was telling you, when you guys cut out the fabric, you cut it out the same way, but if you're using it for embroidery, for something like the cat's tail, you need to iron that down before you stitch on it, because there's so many places that it's going to shift. So many places. So for sure, cat needs to have fusible backing, heat and bond, or what have you on it. I didn't have any trouble with bat, but you just have to be careful with it. So that's cat and bat. I love it. Here's a big orange peel. Boy, are we going to have fun with that. There are so many things you can do with this. It's just a simple shape, but I absolutely love it. All right, so here's another one that we are going to do tons with. So Christmas, so snowflakes are always beautiful. Can you imagine with beautiful fabric in there? Christmas tree. Now we have the shape. All we have to do is decorate it. We can decorate it with quite a few things. And this is holly and berries. And I'm thinking mug rugs. I'm thinking mug rug for that. How easy would that be? Oh, so many things that we're going to do. And this one I haven't worked with yet, but I thought it was cool. Let me see if I can get close enough. So these are shapes. So these are hexagons. So there's 6 sides on them, and there's 2 different sizes. So I'm thinking old-fashioned designs where we could put them together and do different things with. So I'll be working with that too, because that is going to be so much fun. So my original idea was, I was tired of cutting out, you know, squares for doing different things, and I thought there has to be an easier way. I was not going to fire up my computer and, you know, use my cutter. I have two of them, and I thought there's got to be an easier way. And you know what? Look, there is. You can get squares. They're just square, and this one is an 8x8 square, and it happens to fit perfectly for everything that I need in the hoop. So if you're doing a background, or if you're doing a whole bunch of them, you can cut out 6 of these babies at once and just have stacks of things that you need to do your embroidery at your machine, and just sit and embroider. How nice is that? You don't have to cut anything out in the hoop. You don't have to do anything. And now with the square that I have, you don't even have to cut the background. So I'm thinking it's fantastic. So join me on this journey. We're going to be doing lots of digitizing. We are going to use these shapes to maximize everything that we do. And we are going to be doing it in Embrilliance, because Embrilliance is licensed to use these shapes. And if you buy a separate add-on pack, they have all the, not every single one, but they have most of these to start off with. So click, bring it in, add your decorations, and you're done. So I think Accuquilt is not just for quilting. I think Accuquilt is applique, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this introduction video. The next videos, we're going to start working and stitching on everything. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!